Welcome! I'm glad you stopped by. Today we're in the kitchen cooking some delicious salmon bites. Let's go. So my salmon has already been prepared. I've skinned it, washed it, and I've cut it into chunks. Now it's time to season our salmon, and this is the time when you can be very creative, make it your own. I'm going to show you what seasoning I'm using. This is a seafood seasoning and another seasoning I'm using just to give the flavor a little bit more texture and a little variety. But you can do a lemon pepper, you can do Cajun, whatever suits your taste. Okay guys, I am heating up my equipment. I am air frying my salmon bites. So they are going to be cooked nice and even. I love this piece of equipment because it's not only an air fryer, it bakes, it grills, it dehydrates. It has a variety of settings. Now that I see the salmon is turning golden brown, it's time to take it out and put the finishing touches on our salmon bites. Alright guys, as far as our sauce, we're going to make this simple and easy. I'm using Asian Zing sauce by Buffalo Wild Wings. I am going to coat my salmon bites with this sauce, and it's going to turn out wonderfully. I had to be very careful while mixing up the chili sauce on the salmon bites because they were so tender. Guys, I garnished mine with a few green onion sprinkles that I cut up. And then I topped them off with some sesame seeds. And this was such a delicious meal, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.